Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to install our kit 300-172 on this 1988 Chevrolet pickup truck. It includes front shocks, rear shocks, coil springs, the hardware. We are also going to install our ALD26 thrust bearing kit and along with our ALD01 spanner wrench to adjust the springs. We're going to start on the right front corner. So first we're going to take the upper and lower ball joints loose, and we're also taking the steering arm loose, and we're going to remove the spindle because we're actually putting a big brake kit on this truck when we're putting it back together. Otherwise, let's get started. When using the ALD26 thrust bearings, we want to apply some grease between the rollers, and this will allow the thrust bearing to move smoothly and also keep it from rusting. When the shocks were assembled, there was anti-seize applied between the spring seat and the threads on the shock body. When we're going to assemble it, we want to add a little bit more anti-seize above the threads so that as you turn your spring seat up, it will draw the anti-seize in when you're adjusting the shock. Now that we've already done our anti-seize, we're going to set our ALD26 thrust bearings in place, and now we can put our spring on. And we're ready to put it in the car. We're also adding our ALD39, and that's a reinforcing plate that goes between our T-bar and our lower control arm. We're going to install the bare big brake kit. We've got some huge rotors, twin piston calipers. We've also got some spindles that we've already had modified in order to accept the brackets. And it's a great kit ready to go on. One of the things I like to do is take my spanner wrench and I put a slight bend in it so it's no longer flat, which gives us a little bit more room for adjusting and working around the lower A-arm. Now that we've installed our caliper bracket and shimmed it so that the caliper bracket is centered over the rotor, we're now going to install our caliper. In the rear of our truck, we're going to install the crown suspension shackle and hanger kit along with our True Line shock absorbers.